Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put face cam in your video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application and I'm going to show you how we can put our face cam to our gaming video. Here, first of all, I'm going to create new project and you can add your gaming video. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and we're going to put our face cam in this video. We can go to overlay, select add overlay, and then this is my face cam video and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, then you can make it smaller like this and you can put it on the right side or the left side. I'm just going to place it right here guys. And to make it better, I recommend you to remove the background of your face cam video. If you want to remove background, you can go to the remove background menu. And here you can select auto removal. If you are a premium user, you can use the auto removal to remove background from your video. Or you can also select the custom removal or the chroma key. If you have a green screen video, I recommend you to select this chroma key and you will be able to remove the green screen from your video. And here I'm just going to use the custom removal and I'm going to use the brush to remove the background. We can select the brush size and you can select the object you want to keep like this guys. Okay, I'm going to keep this object. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to click on the check mark and we just need to wait for a moment until the background has been removed. Wait. Okay. Okay, and this is the final result guys. And if you want to export your video, you just need to click on the export menu right here and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put face cam in a video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.